Hi, and welcome to St. Elizabeth Catholic School. My name is Valerie Valvrusha, and I am the principal for the 2021-2022 school year. I'm excited to welcome you into our school for this virtual open house. Our teachers are dedicated to the mission of our school to provide an amazing educational experience while forming our children in our Catholic faith. Our students grow spiritually, academically, physically, and emotionally. Now let's take a sneak peek into the day of the life of a SES Bobcat. Come on.
Let us rejoice, and be glad in it, and be glad in it.
Let's see what K4 is doing. I heard there's a circus in town.
Hi, guys, everybody say hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
We have our group of busy bees. We are finishing our animal unit. We've got a couple building zoo over here. We've got some working on big and little, two of our sight words, and a map.
Good morning, kindergarten.
Good morning, Miss Valvrusha.
Oh, so many busy friends this morning. Let's see what we've got going on. Are we in stations and centers? Yeah. Awesome. It's time because it's 6 o'clock. Are you ready? Building tomorrow today? Excellent. Bye, girls. First grade, three. Building tomorrow today?
You have to get up the lines. That's it, church? Yeah, I'm having a rough week. You know what? I'm gonna make a plan. You should make a mustache. You should make a plan with a mustache. I'm gonna put the plane over it and drop it. Yeah.
What's it doing, Lily?
Printing.
Fraction factor. So how's that going to work?
We are basically gonna put Candyland in in like a factory theme,
Huh?
and where factory.
We're working on the windmills of Kinderjik.
Nice. Great pronunciation. I wouldn't have been able to say that. Very nice. A windmill. Very creative. What's your favorite thing about St. Elizabeth School?
I like the playground. Coloring and working on my letters.
In first grade, I like it because we do crafts, and I like it that we learn about Jesus and God and guardian angels.
Stations, Wigglebrick, and God. My favorite thing about St. Elizabeth is that we learn new things from technology.
Because we get to use the robots.
Thing is that we get to learn about new things and new exciting things. Technology, praying, and going to church.
The teachers, I love the teachers.
Deacon. Because he allows us to do our computer and crafts.
All the kind teachers. How all the kids welcomed me, and when I was in a new school and when I came here, I just felt really welcomed when I came.
The people, everyone here, because everyone's just so kind and thoughtful of what they say.
Thing is that they give you a second family to grow up with.
I hope you enjoyed your glimpse at our school. Please consider becoming a part of the SES family.